Hurricane's ocean weapon. The most dangerous part of a hurricane is not always the wind. It is the ocean. A surge of water, pushed ashore by the storm, can swallow streets, topple buildings, and erase entire communities in minutes. This is the storm surge, hurricane's ocean weapon. What is it? How does it form? And why does it matter more today than ever before? When people imagine hurricanes, they think of swirling winds tearing through cities. But the ocean often carries more destructive power. A storm surge is a sudden rise in sea level. It happens when powerful winds and low pressure from the hurricane push ocean water toward the shore. Unlike normal waves, this is not water rolling in and out. It is a dome of water that moves with the storm itself. The stronger the winds, the higher the dome. The shape of the coastline, the depth of the ocean floor, and the storm's speed all decide how far inland the water will reach. The surge grows even more dangerous when combined with heavy rainfall and high tide. That is when entire neighborhoods can be swallowed before the hurricane's eye even arrives. Scientists measure surges in feet or meters, but the true impact is measured in lives disrupted, infrastructure destroyed, and communities washed away. History shows the storm surge is often deadlier than the winds. In 1900, a hurricane struck Galveston, Texas. The surge rose more than 15 feet. The island city disappeared underwater. Over 6,000 people died, making it the deadliest natural disaster in United States history. In 1970, a cyclone hit Bangladesh. The land was flat, the population dense, and the surge catastrophic. 500,000 lives were lost. It remains one of the deadliest storm surges ever recorded. More recently, Hurricane Katrina in 2005 revealed the modern scale of this threat. The surge overtopped levees in New Orleans. Whole neighborhoods vanished underwater. More than 1,800 people died, and damages ran into hundreds of billions of dollars. In 2012, Hurricane Sandy told a similar story. Though Sandy was only a Category 1 storm when it made landfall in New Jersey, its massive size pushed an enormous surge. New York City's subway system flooded. Lower Manhattan went dark. More than 100 people lost their lives, and the storm reshaped coastal planning in the city. And in 2019, Cyclone Idai struck Mozambique. The surge wiped out coastal towns, leaving behind widespread humanitarian crises. It proved that this threat is not limited to one country or one ocean. It is global. So why does storm surge matter even more today? First, rising sea levels make the problem worse. Global warming melts glaciers and expands ocean water. This means sea levels are already higher than they were decades ago. When a surge hits, it has less distance to travel before flooding land. Second, more people live along coastlines than ever before. Over 40% of the world's population is within 100 kilometers of the sea. That number is still growing.